Most of the time, the statistics show us that people will pass through either an assisted living facility or a nursing home before they ultimately pass away. So lots of people will think about creating an estate plan, but they don't think about the huge financial cost of passing through a nursing home before they actually pass away. Medicaid planning or long-term care planning is the process by which a client will come in and think about their long-term care needs and how they're going to pay for nursing home care, generally towards the end of their life. We can help you understand what you need to do now to prepare to be eligible so that Medicaid can, in the right situation, help pay for your long-term care. Medicaid planning or planning for long-term care is not something that you want to try to do on your own. It is a very complex area of law. Medicaid rules are very specific and you have to follow them to the letter. And in order to get Medicaid to help with that long-term care, you do need an attorney that specializes in that area. It is possible to do standalone Medicaid planning or long-term care planning and standalone estate planning. But we find it's much more beneficial if we talk about all of these issues and come up with a plan where your Medicaid planning or long-term care planning and your estate planning are all kind of dovetailed and in the same plan right from the beginning. Our firm's been working in Medicaid planning and long-term care planning since about 2005, so we make sure that we stay on top of the changing rules and guidelines. Not only are we attorneys, but I'm also a certified financial planner, and because those two areas, financial planning and estate planning, really come together in Medicaid planning, our firm is a really unique fit for those looking to do some asset protection, allow for Medicaid to pay for some of their long-term care, as well as integrating the estate plan into the process. So you can expect in your initial consultation with us simply a discussion about your needs and your goals. We really strive to make sure we understand the needs of our clients, what their asset situation is, what they can do to preserve those assets and still get Medicaid to help with their long-term care costs. Our goal is to just sit down with you, help you understand your situation, come up with a plan that you feel good about going forward.